Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a position where for some reason your FaceTime calls are just not working. Now, what does that mean? Well, essentially, maybe you're not receiving FaceTime calls, or maybe you're not able to send FaceTime calls either. If that ends up being the case, the first thing I would recommend doing is opening up your specific FaceTime application like this and seeing what's going on. If you open up your application like this and you see that there's nothing there, or it says signing in or something, then you're going to have to wait until your FaceTime is actually fully functional and Apple allows you to sign in via their servers. So a great way to check this is to make your way over to your settings application. You want to scroll down into FaceTime, which is right here. And within FaceTime settings, you're going to find a bunch of different things. All you want to do is make sure FaceTime, this little option here, is enabled. If this FaceTime option is disabled right there, then you're going to have to enable it, and then your option will work. FaceTime should theoretically be working, or at least it should be set up properly. If you see this is disabled, click enable. It may have you log in and do all that stuff, but typically you should be good to go. Now, at that point, I would recommend trying to make a FaceTime call. So find your FaceTime app just like this, click that plus button in the top right corner, and try making a FaceTime call to somebody. If nothing is working, then at that point, what I would recommend doing is making sure that your cell signals are working fine. So you can see I'm connected to Wi-Fi. I have this Wi-Fi signal here, but I don't have a SIM card installed. If you are somewhere and you have a really bad signal or whatever the case is, then you may actually have to go ahead and fix your specific signal before moving on. So what does that mean? Well, essentially, you're going to have to go ahead and either connect to a better cell signal, or whatever the case is, connect to a better cell tower, connect to a better Wi-Fi connection, whatever, and see what's going on there. Because most of the time, if you have a really bad cell signal, things aren't going to work out properly. A great way to test this is to make your way over to your app store and stuff, kind of swing around, see how long it takes you to load up things. If it takes you a while, then there may be an issue. If it doesn't take you a long time and you have a good Wi-Fi connection, the final thing I would recommend doing is updating your specific iPhone. So make your way over to your settings application like this, click on General, click on Software Update right there, and you want to see if there's a software update available. Most of the time, you may be having a software update that is available, and you want to go ahead and just update to that specific software. If you're on an outdated version of software, there can be a lot of issues with that. So this is the final thing I would recommend doing, and most of the time you should be good after updating. If you're still experiencing issues or there's still problems, I'd probably recommend going ahead and restarting your phone, factory resetting your phone, things like that. But those are the main things you can pretty much do at this point. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.